How to add a profile picture in WhatsApp on iPhone. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture in WhatsApp on your iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, let's move to the next step. In WhatsApp, go to Settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile picture placeholder, or if you have an existing picture, tap on the image to edit it. Now at the top here you can find an option that says add photo. Simply tap on it. Now you'll see a few options. Tap on choose photo to select a picture from your gallery. You can also click on take photo to simply choose the or click the photo, or you can also use avatar. You can choose whichever you prefer. For this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing from my gallery. Now let's say I want to put this as my image. Simply click on it and simply click on choose, and that's it. You've successfully added or changed your profile picture in WhatsApp on your iPhone.